Ajika, an essential element of Abkhazian cuisine, is a powerful, spicy condiment that is never absent from a traditional Abkhazian table. This aromatic paste is deeply rooted in Abkhazian culture, with a history that spans generations. Many believe that the long lives of the Abkhazian people are, in part, due to their diet, with Ajika playing a vital role. The name Ajika translates to salt in the Abkhaz language. According to legend, Ajika originated when shepherds, who were given salt to increase their sheep's appetite, mixed it with hot pepper to prevent theft. Over time, they began adding fragrant herbs and spices, grinding everything together on a stone, creating a flavorful and aromatic seasoning. This mixture, known as Ajika, became a beloved part of the Abkhazian diet, celebrated for its bold flavor and health benefits. Ajika is traditionally made from red chili peppers, garlic, salt, and a blend of dried herbs, all natural ingredients with no additives. In the past, preparing Ajika was a time-consuming process. The ingredients were ground by hand on a special stone, known as Abkhazia, using a pestle called Abkhazian. This ancient method results in a paste with a unique consistency and a deep, rich flavor that is unmatched by modern, machine-made versions. The art of making Ajika has been passed down through generations, with each family often adding their own touch to the recipe. However, the core ingredients, hot red peppers, garlic, salt, and spices, remain the same. Traditional Ajika is pure and simple, free from the additions of tomatoes or mushrooms found in some modern variations. The peppers used for Ajika are carefully cultivated, harvested, and dried in the sun, then cured in the smoke of a traditional hearth, which gives them their distinctive color and intense flavor. The grinding process itself is deliberate and meticulous. The pepper seeds are often left in to add extra piquancy, and the mixture is ground slowly to release the essential oils, which contribute to Ajika's incomparable aroma. Ajika is more than just a condiment. It's a piece of Abkhazian heritage, a link to the past, and a symbol of the vibrant traditions that continue to thrive in this region. Whether used to enhance a dish or enjoyed on its own, Ajika offers a taste of Abkhazia's rich history and culture in every bite. Would you like to try Ajika? You can order original, homemade Abkhazian Ajika from aџьыка.co.uk. Made in Doncaster using 100% natural spice blends and generation-old family recipes from Abkhazia, the home of Ajika, aџьыка.co.uk offers a unique spice paste that adds a touch of magic to any dish. To bring these rich, aromatic flavors into your kitchen, visit aџьыка.co.uk to get yours today.